Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to air fry some chicken legs. Can't find the wings anymore. No fresh wings, so I got some legs. So just wash them and I'm towel drying them. Get them as dry as possible before I do anything. Before I put anything on them. Sop up the water in the bottom of the bowl. Okay. Get rid of this. Okay, y'all. I'm going to season. I just came from Walmart. So that's why I don't have these already washed and seasoned and stuff. I thought I was taking out some chicken legs yesterday. Actually, it was a slab of ribs. I had washed and marinated and froze. I didn't mark it, so when it's frozen, everything looks the same. So I need to start marking the food. You barbecue?
Yeah.
Ain't you cute?
Well, I didn't want to. I don't really feel like it.
Well, I had wound up taking out a slab of ribs. So I was going to air fry the ribs. I was going to batter them and air fry them. But I don't want no ribs. So what he's going to fix the ribs, he's going to put them on the barbecue grill.
Sure.
I still prefer chicken. So I'm going to... What's the matter?
Yeah.
I'm going to season the chicken with some Tony C's Creole seasoning. I can't say that name. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. That's good. That's all I'm putting on it. And this is what I'm going to bread it with. Some house archery chicken seasoned breading mix. I think when I first started air frying, this is the first thing I used. The house archery. I bought it from Dollar Tree. It was in a box and it was $1. I'm going to smush the seasoning. And I did doctor up this stuff. I put in some red pepper, black pepper, white pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little ginger. So I made it my own. So it really is House Brazil. Come on now. I'm going to smush this up. So I didn't add any extra salt to the breading. Because all seasoned breadings, well, most of them that I've tried, they all have a little too much salt in them. The salt is what makes them really taste good. So I didn't add extra. I just added extra seasonings and not salt. Okay, that's good. I'll be using my shaker breader bowl. I'll leave a link. Right now they're all sold out of the original shaker breader bowl, but this looks just like the onion blossom bowl. It looks just like it, so it's the same thing basically. I already put the breading in here and I doctored it up. So I'll leave a link in the description box for everything I talked about. I'm putting all 5 legs in here. And yeah, I'm going to eat every last one of them. I'll probably eat 3. And then later on, I'll eat the other 2. Now Walter's going to enjoy his ribs. top on here. Shake it. Coat it nicely. Now, and you have to spray your breaded chicken. Shaking off the excess like that. And to put them in here to get them to fit nicely, I'm gonna stagger them. Put one leg that way, the other one that way. This one that way. So they're not all crammed on top of each other. This one like that. And this one like that. I'm going to save this breading for something else. I'll be back. Okay, I'm using my Evo oil sprayer. And I'm going to spray my legs. I don't want no pottery looking legs when they're done. You need some oil. Just like on your own legs. They get ashy, right? You need some oil. Walker shaking his head like I said something crazy. Okay, it's going in the air fryer. That's how they look. I'm going to set it for, I'm going to set the chicken leg setting. And I'm going to set that for 400 instead of 380. 400 for 25 minutes. And I probably will turn them over halfway through. Now with wings, I don't ever have to turn them over in the Cosori. So I may or may not have to spray the other side too. So I'll be back. So right now Walter is fixing some potatoes to go with his ribs. So you got the ribs on the grill?
Not yet.
You took them outside though, right?
No.
Oh.
I just lit up the...
Okay. So you're going to cook them in the air fryer or the stove?
I'll chop it up. Yes.
That's heating up the house. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, Walter got the big grill going. Are they all cut separately? Yeah. Okay, the bones I cut the slab I cut each bone separately. Because I was going to put them in the indoor smoker. You just lit the middle section? Yeah. Okay. I ain't going down there. Oh, it smells good. Okay, my chicken legs are almost done. We got one more minute. Had them at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Let me check these. Yeah, baby. Let's finish out that 1 minute. Got my basket ready. With my extra hot sauce. Let me go out here and mind Walter's business. Okay, are they almost done? I'll be glad when they get done so I can eat my ribs. Can you step aside so I can show the people the ribs on the grill? Y'all can see them a little bit. I ain't going down there. But then I can't wear my house shoes. Okay. And what you squirting them with? I see that bottle up there on the table. Vinegar and water. It makes them taste good and cook good and get kind of crispy on the edges. Wait a minute. You still putting seasoning on them? I seasoned them and I marinated them.
Okay.
Why are you messing up my ribs? Because we're going to enjoy those ribs. Okay, I'm through minding his business. Bye, Walter. Bye.
Sayonara. Aloha. Arrivederci. Bye.
Man got a screw loose. Okay. He heating up the house. He love his potatoes. He could fix those in the air fryer. Okay, y'all, I'm show y'all the leg. Okay. And I did flip them halfway through. And these are done, so I'm gonna unplug it now. Show y'all. These beautiful golden brown, crispy legs. Now hear it sizzle. I put foil under the basket. Easy cleanup. Easier cleanup. Which one I want? I want this one. I don't want to fall over and turn the basket over. Let me turn it that way. I want this one. Ooh, all that juice coming out of here. I did spray both sides. Whoa. Okay. Hot sauce. That's good. Get some more chicken dogs. I love my chicken dogs, y'all. Can't find no wings, no fresh wings, which I prefer. Even though I do know how to make the wing dings like fresh, but I prefer the fresh. So here's my chicken dogs with hot sauce. Gotta taste it. I don't know how this breading is going to be since I added a whole bunch of stuff to it. Yum yum. It's a chicken dog. It's hot. I'm gonna pull some skin off without the hot sauce on it. It is crispy. Ooh. I'm greasy. I'm looking like a runaway slave right now. Took that wig off. Whew. I want to bite into it. It's too hot. So, this is going to be my thumbnail. My chicken dog with hot sauce. And my doctored up House Archery chicken breading. Good enough. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. I'm gone. Trying to. Woo! You know, all that stuff I put in the bread, it kind of tastes like KFC. Original recipe. Too bad I didn't write it down. Because it'll never taste like this again. If I didn't write it down. I'm gone for real now. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Okay, here are the ribs, the Walter barbecue, and I got 3 types of sauces on them. Okay.